SSI benefits be used to calculate child support? Hi, I'm Alycia Kinchloe, the owner of Kinchloe Law, a family law practice based in the Philadelphia area. Now, when it comes to child support, there are a number of things that are considered income that are beyond what we normally think about when it comes to income. Often we think about wages. So, if you receive a paycheck from somewhere, or maybe if you're an independent contractor and you get paid, but you're still responsible for your taxes, we generally think of those things as jobs, which are considered income for child support purposes. But there are a number of other things that are also considered income for child support purposes. And that includes things like rental income, it can include income from your business dealings, it can also include certain types of disability benefits. Now, as always, you want to speak with an attorney licensed in your state about the facts specific to your case. When it comes to disability benefits, there are a number of different types of disability benefits. So there are Social Security benefits, which include SSI, Supplemental Security Income, and SSDI, Social Security Disability Insurance benefits. We also think about Social Security benefits when it comes to retirement benefits. There are some adult child disability benefits, and there's also widows disability benefits. So, again, there are a number of types of different disability benefits that come from Social Security. In addition to that, there are also some things, payments that result from injuries. So we have workers' compensation, and then there also can be income from short term disability benefits or long term disability benefits, which are generally plans that are under your employer that you apply to or apply for, and then you have to meet their particular criteria for determining disability. Now, it's important to know that a claim of disability can have different implications on whether or not you're responsible for paying a child support obligation. Today, we're talking about SSI or Supplemental Security Benefits. Now, SSI is an income based payment plan that people can receive if they meet the disability insurance or the disability requirements under Social Security's rules. And so you want to familiarize yourself with those rules or hire a Social Security disability attorney. Prior to starting my practice in family law, I did 100% of Social Security disability benefits in another firm for about 16 years. So it's a space where I'm extremely comfortable in understanding the different types of disability benefits. The issue is that sometimes people who don't have that type of experience they're not always up to date with the way that that system works, and they don't always understand that there are different types of benefits. So it's important for you when you do have a case before domestic relations in your county that you let them know what type of disability benefits you're getting. And the reason is that because SSI is income based or needs based, and you have to meet certain non-medical requirements to be eligible for that benefit. Those benefits are not considered income for purposes of child support, and that's based on the statute regarding what is deemed income. Now, the other type of main Social Security disability benefits, SSDI, where you've worked and put credits into the system, and the amount varies based on what you've earned over the lifetime of your work, that income is considered income for Social Security disability for child support purposes. Now there is a minimum threshold that you want to make sure that you have more money over because there is a minimum reserve amount. And what that amount is that basically you need at least a little bit of money to be able to take care of yourself. And if your Social Security disability insurance benefits or any income you have falls under that amount, there generally will be no child support obligation. But SSI, like public assistance, are the types of income where the state has deemed you are not going to be eligible for paying child support if that is your only income. Now, if you do have other types of income, maybe you have some rental income, maybe there's income from working under the table, which may or may not be legal, it is still considered income for purposes of determining a child support obligation. So this is why I always mention you want to speak with an attorney licensed in your state about the facts specific to your case because there are a number of nuances. But generally, supplemental security income, SSI benefits, different from SSDI benefits, is not considered income for purposes of child support obligation. And generally, if that is your only means of income, generally there will be no child support obligation. But I'll make sure that I link in the show notes to the statute, which talks about different types of income. So you'll have some information there. If there are questions you have regarding this topic or custody or divorce, make sure you put them in the comments. These videos are here for you, and we're going to be dropping a new one every single day of 2021. Make sure you hit subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell so that each time we do drop a new video, you get a little ring. All right, until next time, take care.